Most people dream of an escape, a quick break from the grind. But for those who truly understand luxury, who crave something more than just a destination, there's a place few talk about, a secret summer playground where timeless elegance meets untouched wilderness. Imagine a world where your biggest decision is whether to start your day with a sunrise paddle across glass-smooth water or a thrilling wakeboard session. This isn't just any vacation spot, this is Muskoka, Ontario. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. Please like, share, and click on the notification bell. Often whispered about as cottage country, but in reality, it's a vibrant, living canvas where Canada's elite, Hollywood's brightest stars, and the world's most discerning travelers come to unwind. From its shimmering, postcard-perfect lakes to the discreet opulence hidden amongst ancient pines, we're about to pull back the curtain on why Muskoka isn't just a place to visit, but a lifestyle to experience, and why for many, it's the ultimate summer secret they can't live without. Nestled within the heart of Ontario, Canada, Muskoka emerges not just as a location on a map, but as a living, breathing testament to nature's grandeur, married with refined living. It's a place that transcends the typical vacation spot, evolving into a cherished sanctuary for those who seek not just a getaway, but a profound connection with beauty, tranquility, and, yes, a touch of understated luxury. For generations, this region has been Canada's best-kept secret, a shimmering jewel that beckons with an irresistible allure. It's not uncommon to hear it affectionately called cottage country, but don't let the humble name fool you. Here, cottages often refer to sprawling estates, architectural masterpieces perched on granite outcroppings, offering panoramic views of pristine waters. This is a haven purpose-built for the discerning, a summer escape whispered about in exclusive circles, frequented by celebrities, business magnates, and anyone who appreciates the finer things in life. Especially when those things are wrapped in the quiet grandeur of the Canadian wilderness. It's where the crisp, clean air feels different, where every sunset feels like a personal masterpiece painted just for you, and where the echoes of daily life fade, replaced by the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. It's this unique blend of rugged nature and refined comfort that sets Muskoka apart, making it a premier travel destination in the truest sense of the word. It's where you discover that true luxury isn't about extravagance, but about experiences that soothe the soul and ignite the spirit. The heart of Muskoka's captivating charm lies undoubtedly in its breathtaking waterways. This region is famous for a magnificent trinity of freshwater lakes: Lake Muskoka, Lake Rosseau, and Lake Joseph. These aren't just bodies of water, they are vast, interconnected liquid playgrounds, each with its own distinct character, yet all sharing an unparalleled clarity that truly earns them the description, crystal clear. On a sunny day, the surface of these lakes transforms into a dazzling spectacle, a shimmering mirror where the sun dances, casting a million sparkling diamonds across the expanse. The clarity is so profound you can often see the rocks and fallen logs far beneath your boat, a testament to the pristine condition of these natural wonders. What truly elevates this visual feast is the embrace of the surrounding landscape. Emerald green pine forests, ancient and majestic, line the shores, their sturdy forms reflected perfectly in the calm waters below, creating an almost surreal, inverted world. This natural tapestry is particularly striking as the day draws to a close. Muskoka sunsets are not just beautiful, they are legendary. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky erupts in a flamboyant display of fiery hues. Blazing oranges, passionate reds, soft purples, and gentle pinks, painting a celestial masterpiece that stretches from one end of the lake to the other. Each sunset is a unique, fleeting work of art, a profound moment of quiet contemplation that stops you in your tracks, making you realize the sheer, unadulterated beauty of this place. These lakes aren't just scenic, they are the very soul of Muskoka, inviting you to lose yourself in their immersive splendor. But Muskoka isn't just about beautiful scenery, it's a lifestyle, and at the core of that lifestyle are the iconic luxury waterfront cottages. When we say cottage, forget any preconceived notions of a rustic cabin. Here, these are often sprawling architectural marvels, meticulously designed and exquisitely furnished, embodying the pinnacle of lakeside living. Picture magnificent homes carved into the granite shoreline, boasting private docks, boathouses that are often bigger and more luxurious than some city apartments, and expansive decks offering uninterrupted views of the sparkling water. These aren't just summer homes, they are generational compounds built to host lavish gatherings, intimate family moments, and everything in between. The interiors are a masterclass in elegant design, blending rustic charm with modern sophistication. Think grand stone fireplaces, soaring ceilings, gourmet kitchens, and floor-to-ceiling windows that perfectly frame the breathtaking scenery. Step outside and you'll find manicured lawns, infinity pools that blend seamlessly with the lake, and meticulously landscaped gardens that invite serene strolls. Living in a Muskoka cottage isn't just about having a roof over your head. It's about embracing an opulent lifestyle where every detail is curated for comfort, privacy, and an unparalleled connection to nature. It's about mornings spent sipping coffee on a private dock, afternoons filled with laughter and water sports, and evenings gathered around a fire pit under a canopy of stars, feeling miles away from the everyday world. These cottages offer more than just accommodation. They offer a glimpse into a world where luxury and nature coexist in perfect harmony, providing a backdrop for unforgettable memories and a testament to the region's exclusive charm. While the serene beauty of Muskoka encourages relaxation, it also pulses with an active, adventurous spirit. This isn't a place where you simply observe, it's a place where you participate, where the vast waterways become your personal playground for an array of thrilling activities. One of the most quintessential Muskoka experiences is embarking on a boat cruise. Imagine gliding across the expansive lakes, feeling the gentle sway of the vessel beneath you, the wind in your hair, and the sun warming your skin. These aren't just rides, they are journeys of discovery, allowing you to explore hidden coves, marvel at stunning waterfront estates from a unique perspective, and simply soak in the grandeur of the landscape. Whether you're on a classic wooden cruiser, a sleek yacht, or a lively party boat, the thrill of navigating these iconic waters is undeniable. For those seeking a more exhilarating rush, jet skiing offers an adrenaline-pumping alternative. Feel the sheer power as you cut across the crystal-clear surface, leaving a frothy wake behind you, the wind roaring past as you experience an unparalleled sense of freedom and excitement. It's an immediate connection to the raw energy of the lake, a chance to feel truly alive as you master the waves. But the aquatic adventures don't stop there. Picture yourself water skiing, wakeboarding, or tubing behind a speedboat. The spray of the lake a refreshing embrace as you challenge yourself against the water. For a more tranquil pace, paddleboarding and kayaking offer a peaceful way to explore the quieter nooks and crannies, getting up close with the shoreline's natural beauty. And of course, fishing. Muskoka is a renowned destination for anglers, offering bountiful opportunities to catch everything from bass to pike. The diversity of activities available on the water ensures that every day in Muskoka can be a new adventure, catering to every pace and preference, making it a dynamic hub for those who love to feel the thrill of the lake. Beyond the magnificent lakes, Muskoka's charm extends to its quaint, picturesque towns, each brimming with unique character and a welcoming spirit. These aren't just stopovers, they're destinations in themselves, offering a delightful contrast to the vastness of the wilderness. One such gem is Port Carling, often referred to as the hub of the lakes. This vibrant village sits strategically between Lake Muskoka and Lake Rosseau, making it a bustling center of activity. Here you can dock your boat right in the heart of town and step ashore to explore an array of charming boutiques, art galleries showcasing local talent, and inviting restaurants serving up delicious local fare. Stroll along the main street, watch the iconic Port Carling locks in action, connecting the different lakes, or simply grab an ice cream and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The unique allure of Port Carling lies in its blend of laid-back cottage country vibe with a sophisticated edge, making it a popular spot for both locals and visitors alike to mingle and enjoy. Just a short drive away, you'll discover Bracebridge, a town that proudly bears the moniker, the Heart of Muskoka. This larger, more established town offers a delightful mix of natural beauty and urban conveniences. Its historic downtown is a treasure trove of independently owned shops, cozy cafes, and excellent dining options, housed within beautifully preserved heritage buildings. Bracebridge truly embraces its natural surroundings, offering numerous parks, walking trails, and its own special natural wonder, the majestic Bracebridge Falls. Located right in the heart of town, these powerful waterfalls are a sight to behold, showcasing the raw, untamed power of the Muskoka River as it cascades over ancient rock formations. There's something incredibly mesmerizing about watching the water tumble with such force, providing a dramatic backdrop to the town's gentle rhythm. Beyond these two, other charming towns like Gravenhurst and Huntsville also dot the landscape, each offering their own unique flavor, from historic steamship tours to vibrant art scenes. Exploring these local treasures means discovering hidden gems, interacting with friendly locals, and experiencing the authentic, down-to-earth side of Muskoka, proving that this region offers much more than just stunning lakes and luxurious cottages. It's a place where natural wonders meet community charm, creating a truly holistic and unforgettable travel experience. Muskoka, at its core, is more than just a geographic location. It's an experience, a feeling, a cherished memory waiting to be made. It's where the whispers of the pines meet the laughter of friends, where breathtaking sunsets paint the sky, and where every moment feels like a scene from your most cherished dream. It's a place where luxury and nature dance in perfect harmony, offering an escape that caters to both your desire for excitement and your need for profound relaxation. Whether you're cutting through the waves on a jet ski, exploring the charming streets of Port Carling, or simply gazing at the stars from your lakeside retreat, Muskoka promises an adventure that speaks to the soul. It's a destination that satisfies the craving for both opulent living and raw, untamed beauty, making it the quintessential summer escape for those who demand nothing but the best. If you've been dreaming of this kind of escape, of crystal clear waters and endless horizons, then this glimpse into Muskoka is just the beginning. Please check out other exciting videos by Bella Access.